Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate a quiz in a Google form using Gemini. This feature helps teacher create a quiz instantly and effectively without manually typing of each question. First, open your Google form and then click Start a new form. Here, type your quiz topic, grade and your requirements. For example, I have given create a Google form quiz with 5 multiple choice questions on topic photosynthesis for the grade 3 students at understanding level of Bloom's taxonomy. Include 4 options for each questions and mark the correct answer. After giving your prompt, click create. Now you can see an instant quiz generated automatically within few seconds. Review the generated questions and then click on create form. Your quiz is now successfully created. You may also see a quiz suggestion below. If you want insert it, you can select insert option. Then go to the settings tab and enable the option make this as a quiz. This allows automatic grading and scores calculation. Click on the preview icon to see how the quiz will appear to the students. This helps you to verify everything before sharing. Now, before publishing, go to the response tab and then click link to sheets. This will create a Google sheet where all students' responses will be automatically recorded. You can use the sheet to view, track and analyze a student performance. Once it's done, now click publish icon. While publishing, select anyone with the link and then select OK. Now copy the link and share it with your students. Students can now open the link and complete the quiz easily. Using this Gemini feature in Google Form, teacher can create a quiz instantly, saves the available time and track the students' responses automatically in Google Sheet. This makes assessment created faster, smarter and more effective for the digital classrooms. I hope you find this video useful and thank you for watching.